Hello. Let's talk about the metaverse. It's like a virtual world, kind of like the one in your favorite video game, but it's even bigger and more connected. Imagine a place where you can explore new worlds, meet new friends, and do all kinds of fun stuff without ever leaving your house. Here's what you need to know. What is the metaverse? The metaverse is a term used to describe a virtual world where people can interact with each other and digital objects in real time. It's like a giant online playground where you can explore, create, and connect with others. What can you do in the metaverse? There are endless possibilities in the metaverse. You can create your own avatar, which is like a digital version of yourself, and use it to explore different worlds, meet new people, and play games. You can also buy and sell virtual goods, like clothes and accessories for your avatar, or even virtual real estate. How do you access the metaverse? You can access the metaverse through a computer or a virtual reality headset. With a headset, you can feel like you're actually inside the virtual world, moving and interacting with it in real time. Is the metaverse safe? Just like the real world, there are potential risks and dangers in the metaverse. It's important to use caution and follow safety guidelines to protect yourself from scams, cyberbullying, and other online threats. Who created the metaverse? The metaverse is a concept that has been around for a long time, but it's still evolving. Many companies are working on developing their own metaverse platforms, including big names like Facebook and Google. What kind of worlds can you explore in the metaverse? You can explore all kinds of worlds in the metaverse. There might be a world that's all about pirates, another one that's set in outer space, and even one that's based on your favorite TV show or movie. Can you meet people from all over the world in the metaverse? Yes. That's one of the coolest things about the metaverse. You can meet people from all over the world who share your interests and hobbies. You might even make some new friends. Can you make money in the metaverse? Yes, you can. Some people make money by creating and selling virtual goods, while others might earn money by providing services like virtual event planning or in-world marketing. How does the metaverse differ from the real world? In the metaverse, you can do things that might not be possible in the real world. You can fly, breathe underwater, and even teleport to different worlds. But at the same time, the metaverse is still a digital space, so it's important to remember that it's not the same as real life. Some metaverse platforms allow users to create their own worlds, complete with custom designs and interactive elements. It's like having your own digital playground. You can communicate with other people in the metaverse using text, voice, or even gestures. You might wave to someone to say hello, or type a message to chat with them. Some metaverse platforms allow users to have virtual pets, which they can take care of and interact with just like real pets. Some schools and universities are starting to use the metaverse as a tool for virtual learning. This allows students to explore and learn in a digital environment. Many artists and performers are starting to hold virtual concerts and events in the metaverse. You can attend these events from anywhere in the world and feel like you're right there with the performer. While the metaverse can include games, it's not the same as a traditional video game. The metaverse is more like a digital world that you can explore and interact with, rather than a specific game with a set objective. Some companies are starting to use the metaverse as a way to hold virtual meetings, events, and even job interviews. It's like having a digital office. Some metaverse platforms offer tutorials and classes where you can learn new skills, like coding or design. You can also learn new skills by collaborating with others and exploring different worlds. The metaverse is always online. Since it's a digital world, it's accessible 24/7 from anywhere in the world with an internet connection. There are many different games you can play in the metaverse, from traditional video games to more interactive and social games. Is the metaverse the future of the internet? Some people think so. The metaverse has the potential to change the way we interact with each other in the digital world. It's still in its early stages, but who knows what the future holds. So, to summarize, the metaverse is a giant digital world where you can explore different environments, play games, attend virtual events, meet new people, learn new skills, and even work or do business. It's like a whole new world that you can access from the comfort of your own home using a special device like a virtual reality headset. You can create your own avatar to interact with others and even create your own world or space to share with others. The metaverse is always online, which means you can access it anytime, anywhere. It has the potential to change the way we interact with each other in the digital world, and who knows what amazing possibilities the future holds.